to cut without permission from your parents. So what you want to do is get permission from your parents first before you start cutting from a really sharp knife. So what I'm going to do is cut up the lemons. And I got permission from my mom and dad. So what you do is you hold it and then you start cutting with your right hand. Or if you're left-handed, you could hold with your left hand and put it like that. But I'm left-handed and I want to do this. So I'm doing like that. And what you want to try and do is not to cut your fingers. Because if you do, you could get and really hurt. So that's the really thing you don't want to do. Okay? See, we've cut up all the lemons. And why we're using this is to keep all the seeds out from the lemonade. So what you're going to do is you push really hard in this and go like that. And what you can do is stick your finger in to get more juice to come out. But if you got most of it out, there might not be any going to come out. See how I'm squeezing really hard? That's what you really want to do when you are making lemonade. You want to squeeze really hard. And then you set them aside when you're done with them. And then you just keep squeezing and squeezing. And it can be really, really messy sometimes when you're doing this. So we squeezed 10 lemons here, and we're going to start with 3 quarts of water. And what you want to do is get the right taste that you like. So here we're going to slowly pour water. That's our first one, and we're moving on to our second one. And the last one is this one. And then we add sugar. want to do sugar, put it in there, and then stir, and then you want to taste it, and if it doesn't have enough sugar, you can just get more sugar and then mix and taste and stuff. So, I'm going to start to mix. I'm going to taste. It definitely needs more sugar. So what we want to do is get more sugar. And I'm tasting again. Needs a little bit more sugar. And another thing you want to do is you want to get the right mix. So if you don't mix it all the way, it's going to be too sugary and you will taste a lot of the sugar. So you want to get it really mixed in so you don't taste it very much. So that's another thing. And that's how you do it. Make sure to subscribe.